the world's smallest bullet train. For that, we need bare copper wire, alkaline batteries, and neodymium magnets, then a marker pen. Now, we need to make a coin like this using the bare copper wire. So let's make it. Use this marker to make the coin. Make it round and round like this. Boom! Phew! Finally we made the copper coin. Now, take the alkaline battery. Take the magnets and connect. Next, ensure the magnets are not falling off the battery like this. If they do not fall out, you are ready to test. Now, testing time. Whoa!
Wow.
I need to do it again.
Wow.
I need to again do it. So satisfying.
Wow.
Now my brother is going to tell how it works. It
Okay.
is all based on electromagnetic force. The battery gives electricity and the magnets make magnetic energy. That lets it go through the coin. Like this. Then can we try? Yeah, definitely. Yes.
Wow.
Let's again retry. Yes.
That was so an amazing one.
Yes, it's so amazing. It is better to understand than watching it normally. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.